Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, we'll show you how you can manually install an SSL certificate using the Namecheap SSL in cPanel. Here you can see currently the website is not secure. On your end, it can show not secure or it can maybe just be showing on the HTTP protocol instead of HTTPS. The steps that I am going to show in this video work for all Namecheap shared hosting plans. Before we begin, remember that this plugin only installs single domain SSL certificate with domain validation such as PositiveSSL and EssentialSSL. When you add a new domain or subdomain in cPanel, a free 1 year PositiveSSL certificate is automatically installed for it. The same happens when PositiveSSL or EssentialSSL renews. No manual setup is needed during the first year. Automatic installation only works if your domain is pointed to the hosting server. So double check your DNS setting before continuing. If you need to install a new SSL certificate or if you have re-added your domain in cPanel, here's what you need to do. Open your cPanel homepage and here you can search for Namecheap SSL. If you don't see it, you can just search it over here. So we can open it. Here you need to click on sign in with Namecheap. Enter your username and password and sign in. Here you can click on install via Namecheap SSL. So here you can see the list of certificates that are on your account. You can see this one is expired, so I have reordered already and now I want to install it. I will go to ready installation. So here you will see the SSL certificates. You can select the SSL certificate that you want to install. Just click on install. Here you can select the domain in which you want to install. Here it will show you this thing that it will replace if there is any existing SSL certificate. Just click on yes, replace. Enter your email over here and click on install certificate. Keep in mind that if you change the domain assigned to an SSL, the previous domain will immediately lose SSL protection. Once installation starts, the SSL certificate usually finish within 25 minutes. You can also click sync to manually complete the process faster. So just click on sync. So here you can see that it is installed on pioneerstrikes.com. After setup, the certificate status will show as active in the installed via Namecheap SSL tab. Within about 10 minutes, your site should load securely with HTTPS. Look for the padlock icon in the browser address bar. So let's go to the website, click on refresh. Here you can see currently it is still showing not secure. So you just need to clear all of the cache in your browser and your website as well. So I have cleared the cache for the website and now I will press Ctrl Shift plus R to refresh the page. So it clears the browser cache as well. It can take a few minutes in some cases. You can try via VPN or incognito window to see your website status. So here you can see now it says connection is secure. To confirm everything is working fine, you can use an SSL checker. That is this one, decoder link SSL checker. So just put your website over here. So you can see earlier when I checked using that, it showed expired 14 days ago. Now I will click on check again and here you can see 365 days till expiration. Everything is green, so it means that your SSL is active and your website is secure. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, leave a comment, and if you still need any help, you can also contact me through my website. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. So that's it for this video. See you next time.